Hi everyone, we are the Patiolink pet doors, and today I'm going to show you our XL Primrose pet door insert. This is a standard high pet door insert and it will fit between 2 meters and 2 meters 10. This top adjustable panel here is adjustable. It goes up and down by 10 centimeters. So to push this top adjustable panel up, all you got to do is turn this anti-clockwise like that, so then you can push the top adjustable panel up and make it stay in place to the height that you require. And then to make it stay at the top, you just turn this back clockwise to make the panel stay. The glass here is nice 5mm tempered glass, same what your glass sliding doors are. And the grey thing here that you see, that's a lockable flap cover. And this is inside your home, so all you got to do is pull this towards you and slide it up, and you take the lockable flap cover off. The cover is made from aluminium and it's also powder coated grey colour. And here we've got a clear flap, and the flap is made from the polycarb material. So we call this a semi-hard flap. You can apply a bit of force and flex it a little bit, but you cannot bend it. And it's not like a soft flap, where a soft flap can have a bit of air and breeze coming through. So the advantage of a semi-hard flap is that it's always going to be nice and straight, so it won't allow bugs coming in. Also, the flap comes with the 2 corner magnets, so once the doggy goes in and out, the flap will go into that nice closed position. So if it's a little bit windy, the flap will stay nice and closed. And as you can see, it's nice clear flap, and the pet door looks beautiful. So the standard high pet doors will fit between 2 meters and 2 meters 10. If your doors are taller than 2 meters 10, I've got 2 samples here of the taller frame and taller glass pet doors. So this is the 2 doors that are over 2 meters 10. Taller frame and glass is good for people who, let's say you own your house and you think, I'm not moving for a while. A lot of people will choose that option, taller frame and glass. This thing here, it's called a window extension. So you get a standard height pet door like that, and we can make you a little window extension to extend the height. That's actually clear window. It's just got a protective little sheet on top. So this is ideal for people who are renting or who might be thinking they might be moving house in the near future, because all you can do, you can take out the window extension out, and then you put the top adjustable panel back down here, and you can use a standard high pet door like this pet door here. Our pet doors are fully lockable and secure without any damage to your door. You're always welcome to email us any photos of your sliding doors, both locks, to our email info@patiolink.com.au, and we can always check and make sure that your doors and locks are okay and compatible for installation and locking. Thank you for watching.